So as you can see on this chart, it's the US dollar index, and currently price is in a bullish momentum because it's creating a series of high highs and low highs, right? It created a breakout structure here, then after breakout structure it took out inducement, then another breakout structure, and currently we have this inducement, and I believe price might fall down to mitigate this imbalance, right? So what this means is if the PPI data come out as expected below 0.3%, we may see the dollar coming to this point, and then you can buy from this imbalance, right? So if the dollar is going down, it means these pairs that are traded against the dollar, they will be going up, right? So this is the analysis I have for the US dollar index. So if the index is going down, it means, like I said, the euro dollar will be going up and GBP will be going up as well, right? So now that you know what's happening with the US dollar index, I will go to the USD, Euro USD analysis. So as you can see here, price is in a bearish momentum, breakout structure, and then here price failed to create a breakout structure, but instead did a liquidity grab. So this is the H4 time frame, and as I'm expecting the dollar to go down on an intraday perspective, I expect the euro dollar to go up into this point of interest or these imbalances indicated here. So this is for the H4 time frame. Then going on to the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, price is very bearish, breakout structure. Then here price failed to give us a breakout structure and did a liquidity grab, and eventually price created a breakout structure at this point, right? So this is the analysis on the 1 hour time frame, and what I'm expecting is to see price going to this area at least, right? So for price to go here, we may see price first coming to this imbalance, right? So you may see something like this on the euro US dollar today, price feeling this imbalance, then continuing to go up to this point. So this is the 1 hour analysis for the euro US dollar. Then going to the 5 minutes to look for entries. As you can see, price already created change of character on the 5 minutes and it took out inducement. So what you can do is you can use your Fibonacci tool to indicate the discount and premium levels. So if you can see on this chart, the 50% zone is this point, right? So you can start selling from this, you can start buying from this point, and you can also make use of these session tools. So price might come out of the Tokyo session and London session will mitigate this imbalance, and then price will continue to go up. So this is the first scenario. Then the other scenario is price will come down for this extreme order block to mitigate it, then continue to go up, right? So these are the two scenarios I have currently for the euro US dollar. Keep this in mind. Then going to the GBPUSD, as you can see on 4 hour time frame, I'm still anticipating a bullish move from the weekend. I did analysis and I shared on my Instagram. This is my expectation. So, and if you can see, these three candles are like very bullish, right? So price is more likely to continue going up. So now if you go to the 1 hour time frame, we can see price is bearish, breakout structure, liquidity grab, then breakout structure, then price took out inducement, and that validated this point as a valid lower low. And if you can apply a line chart, you can see this is a demand zone because price consolidated a bit, then pushed down, then broke this zone. So price is more likely again to come back to this zone and then continue to go up, right? So going back to the candlestick chart, it looks like this. So I'm expecting to see something like this on the GBPUSD, and if you can see, it's the same thing I'm expecting as well on the euro US dollar, because this pairs they correlate, and I'm expecting a bearish move on the USD index. So let me show you something. If you look at the USD index, you can see that here there's an imbalance, right? So price may come for this imbalance, then continue to go down, right, on the USD index. So it's up, then down. So on the euro US dollar, it's down, then up. On the GBP, it's down, then up, right? As I explained before, like today we have PPI data, which is being released in the USA. and if it's negative, we can relate that to our current space and you can look for interest. So basically this is it for today, guys. I hope you understood well the analysis and you can make use of it on your own analysis. So I'll stop recording this session now and I might upload it on YouTube. You can watch there. So if you have any questions, I will leave this time for questions.